Hi guys, welcome back to 3 Plant-Based Kids. It's Sarai here reporting for duty on another easy, delicious, and nutritious recipe. It's chocolate chip cookies, everybody's favorite. We'll show you how to make it, and stay tuned for more.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
Now that our cookies are done, we're going to preheat our oven at 350 and then it will be done in 15 minutes. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's gluten-free, it's healthy, delicious, and it's the best. Oh my gosh, you should try this at home. For you basketball lovers out there, it's dunkable too. Da, da, da. So good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Plant-Based Kids. If your mom says you're having too much cookies, just say, I'm taking my omega-3s.